King Eric was a fair ruler in Aurelia. He often worried about the happiness and contentment of his people. He wanted to ensure that everyone in his kingdom was kind and respectful to one another. One day, King Eric decided to test the character of his people. He disguised himself as a common traveler and went to the market square, where many people gathered daily. There, he saw Simon, the old man, sitting quietly and watching the hustle and bustle around him. As the king watched, he noticed how some people treated Simon poorly. They insulted him, mocked his ragged clothes, and laughed at his age. But he remained calm and continued to greet everyone with a warm smile. King went to Simon.
"Why do you tolerate such disrespect?"
he asked. Simon replied softly.
"People may choose to be unkind, but I choose to be kind. Their actions are a reflection of themselves, not of me."
Impressed by Simon's wisdom, King Eric revealed his true identity.
"I am King Eric, and I have seen how my people treat you. I am deeply moved by your patience and kindness. Come with me to the palace."
The people were astonished as they watched their king walk away with the old man they had insulted. They began to feel ashamed of their behavior and realized how wrongly they had judged Simon. At the palace, King Eric offered Simon a position as his advisor. He knew that Simon's wisdom and kindness could help him govern the kingdom better. Simon accepted the offer and soon became a trusted and respected figure in the court. With his new position, Simon was able to improve his own life and the lives of many others. He introduced fair policies, helped the poor. Under Simon's guidance, the kingdom flourished and became a place where kindness and respect were valued above all else. The people, seeing the positive changes, began to treat each other with more kindness. They remembered how they had insulted Simon. They sought his forgiveness, and Simon, with his ever-kind heart, forgave them all. King Eric was very pleased with the transformation in his kingdom, so he declared a grand celebration. During the festivities, he addressed his people, saying,
"Let Simon's story be a lesson to us all. True wealth is not measured by riches, but by the kindness and wisdom we share with one another."
Thanks for watching. What lesson have you learnt from the story? Leave a comment.